If you are beginning to see signs that your injector is clogged, there's only one thing you can do, and you want to do it at home. You don't want to take it to any mechanic to do it for you. Then sit down, let me tell you how to go about it. There's something you can do, which is either you use injector cleaner or addictive. Yes, that is the only thing you can do. But if you want to remove it, you can still do it by yourself. But you have to have tools and other things to go about it. But if you don't want to remove it, that this video is meant for you. At the second part of the video, I will also tell you how you can do it, even if you want to remove it. Let's talk about this time. You don't want to remove your injector, and you have seen signs, symbol that your injector is becoming clogged, and you don't want to remove it, yet you want to do it yourself. What you have to do is for you to go and buy additive. Go and buy additive, or you're going to buy fuel injector cleaner. Ensure that your fuel in your tank is very, very low, below half tank. Then you buy a good additive. Buy quality additive. You pour it into the tank. When you pour into the tank, then you put more fuel on it. Then you run your engine for 15 to 30 minutes immediately. Then subsequent time, you keep running it as normal as you run it. I'm telling you that it will help your engine to decarbonize. This injector cleaner or additive that you use will help to boost your engine performance, and you notice that you no longer have those symptoms again. But if the system still persists, that means you have to remove the injector, or you take it to a professional to get it fixed. So the first method that I mentioned without removing can only work if the problem is this small. But if the problem has become bigger, I mean the symptoms has become more obvious, then it will be difficult for that simple method to work. Because sometimes if the injector has really, really clogged, then you need someone to help you, or you have to remove it before you can clean it. If you have to remove it before you can clean it, then you can use this second method I'm going to talk about. The second method is this: you have to get your car battery. When you get your car battery, you can buy WD-40. When you buy WD-40, you get your car battery. You need two wire, one positive and one negative. Then the positive will go to one terminal of the injector, and the negative will go under one terminal of the injector. But you need to look the injector very well. Check if it is written plus on the injector terminal, then the positive from the battery will go to the plus, and the negative of the battery will go to the minus, which is the negative. But if nothing is written on the terminal, that means you can put the plus and minus anywhere on the terminal, and the wire terminal, and it's going to work. Then the point, the bottom of the injector where fuel supply, you're going to put the small pipe of the WD-40, which is penetrating oil. You put it there. Then by the time you are pressing, as you can see on the screen, do you see this is how you can do it yourself if you remove it out. But this video is focused on you are not removing it. If you're not removing it, you can only use fuel injector cleaner and additive to pour it into your tank. And as you are driving, you are going to see how this will perform the magic. It ensures that it will clean your fuel system, especially your nozzle. Sometimes you have carbon, that is the byproduct of combustion, clog your injector mouth. But in this scenario, it will not happen because the additive is already in the fuel, and when the fuel is burning, it's able to decarbonize it. So that will help your injector from coming clutch. That will prevent it from becoming clutch, and that will also help all the fuel system to be clean and your engine will be running at the best performance. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, like, follow, subscribe, and tell me in the comment section, have you tried this method before? If you have done that before, does it work? If it doesn't work, tell me which other method you know that you have used that really work for you. See you in another video. I have so many video on fuel injector. Please follow,